Today, we gather to honor a pivotal milestone in our college's history. The day, 10 years ago, when we became the USF Muma College of Business. We are grateful to all of you for coming back here today after a semester like no other to recognize this moment and the incredible generosity of our namesake donors, Pam and Les Muma.
Pam and Les, you truly transformed the USF community. I remember when I took the job 4.5 years ago, the first person said to me, "Wait till you meet Les and Pam." And it was shortly right after that I had a chance to understand the passion that you all have for this university.
Pam and Les, thank you for your unwavering support and believing in the potential of students from all walks of life.
The University of South Florida has made so many changes and become really a powerful college in Florida and in the country. And we're just proud to do what we can do to make it a little bit better.
Pam and Les, on behalf of the entire college community, I extend our deepest gratitude for your remarkable continued support of this college. Your legacy will be forever etched in the history of our institution, and we are honored to carry forward your vision for a brighter future for the Tampa Bay community through the power of business education.